BBQ Cleaning Experts, Mike and Matt here from Canadian BBQ Boys.
We're fresh off our appearance on CBC's Dragon's Den.
In this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of barbecue safety.
So when using your grill, it's important to put safety as an utmost priority.
So when it comes to your burner tubes, you want to make sure that there's not a lot of grease, grime, or debris buildup on top of the burner tubes that's impeding the gas flow and making it hard for your barbecue to heat up properly. You want to inspect this by taking out the parts, looking at the burners and brushing off any potential grease or grime. You also want to test out the barbecue and see if the gas is flowing through the burners properly. You then want to also inspect to see if there's any rusting, any damage to the burners where it might need a replacement.
Secondly, you want to be very aware of the gas line. So it starts with checking out the gas source, making sure that the gas is connected to either the propane tank or the main gas line, and making sure that there's no rust or broken parts and it's not loose at this source. Secondly, you want to actually look at the gas line itself. Sometimes animals, little rodents, will chew at the gas line, which might cause a gas leak. So you want to make sure if you smell the smell of rotten eggs, for example, you could potentially have a gas leak. So you want to make sure that the gas is safely connected and safe for use before using.
Lastly, you want to check to make sure there's not an excessive amount of grease and grime buildup on any of the components for the barbecue. So you could first check this by checking the bottom tray there, making sure that there's no excessive buildup and that it's not overflowing, which could potentially lead to a grease fire. You also want to check the front panel there to make sure there's no grease and grime buildup on the igniter or the burners to make sure that the barbecue is functioning properly. And lastly, you want to make sure there's not a lot of buildup on the sear plates, which could lead to an even more dangerous grease fire.
So all in all, as you can see, it's very important to keep safety in mind when using your barbecue. So in this video, we addressed the importance of making sure your burner tubes are safe to use, your gas line doesn't have any leaks and it's safely connected, and lastly, that there's no excessive grease buildup in any of the major components. Again, thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing your comments and the feedback below.